In this video, I'll guide you how to easily remove an admin from your Facebook page. Make sure to watch the entire tutorial to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once it's open, tap on the menu icon, which is usually located at the bottom right corner. Next, you need to switch from your main Facebook profile to your page. To do this, tap on the arrow next to your profile name and select your page from the list. Once you're switched to your page, go back to the menu and tap on the gear icon to access settings and privacy. In the settings, tap on search icon and tap in page access. In the page access section, you'll see all the users who have access to your Facebook page, including content managers, moderators, and other admins. Now, identify the users you want to remove as an admin. For example, you might see your main profile and test profile listed as admins. To remove the test profile as an admin, tap on the three dots next to the user's name and select Remove from Page. You will be prompted to enter your password. Enter it. And that's it. You've successfully removed an admin from your Facebook page. Thanks for watching.